Legend says martial artists should strike with the speed of a snake. Here's how it looks to the naked eye. High-speed cameras slowed down these flurries over 25 times, revealing more than 100 strikes per minute. The hand and foot really are quicker than the eye. But are they faster than a serpent? Korea's Taekwondo is one of the most popular martial arts in North America. In 2000, it debuted as an Olympic sport. If Kung Fu is soft, Taekwondo is hard. Sharp blows, straightforward attacks. Fighters train for one skill above all others: speed. Australian Bren Foster is a Taekwondo world champion.
We strike with the fist. We strike with the knife hand, the elbow, the outside elbow, the knee, the ball of the foot, the heel, the instep, latch, the bottom. Speed, power, balance, and especially timing. That's Taekwondo.
Like the legendary fighters, a Taekwondo champion can beat his opponent to the punch. The secret isn't in the speed of the hand, but the speed of the mind. Reaction time.
Reaction time is defined as when you see a stimulus and how long it takes you to react.
But how do you measure the invisible gap between thought and action? With a combination of motion capture, high-speed filming, and high-tech measurement.
They're going to see the light. Their brain's going to have to react to that light. And then we're going to see, from that reaction, how they initiate their motion.
The moment the light flashes, laser lights and sensors embedded in their suits will record more than 2,000 measurements per second.
We're actually going to be able to start glimpsing inside what's going on inside the brain.
From the instant the eye sees the target, the brain responds, and the body strikes. Sensors will calculate reaction time. To mimic the unpredictability of combat, not one light, but 4, each firing at random, like a real opponent. The test begins, and time slows down. It takes the average person about 1/5 of a second just to perceive the first beam of light. By then, a trained fighter like Bren is already moving. The light stimulus triggers the optic nerve. Millions of synapses crackle and fire inside the brain. The fighter makes a decision. Electrical signals fire down nerve fibers at nearly 225 miles per hour. The electrical charge activates the chosen muscles, and he throws the punch. In real time, the speed is blinding. From flash to punch, Bren reacts in 0.18 seconds. Blink and you truly miss it. Less than 1/5 of a second, nearly twice as fast as the human eye blinks. In the time most people take to just notice the flash, the Taekwondo master has already hit his target. It's the basis for the legend of the telepathic master. He seems to read minds, but he's really reading bodies. He interprets from experience and reacts first. To the opponent, the master predicted his tactics. To the master, the opponent was simply moving in slow motion. Victory in the blink of